We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother MFC L5850dw. So first thing, you want to check under your toner and your drum. If you'll see the paper, it's literally going to be right here. Just pull it up and out. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to go slow and you want to pull gently. You don't want to yank or go very fast. If you do, you could rip some paper off inside the printer or damage a sensor. Both of those will result in more jams. Put that back in. Next place you want to look is going to be the back. Just pull this down right here, and it would be right here. This one would be pretty easy to just pull up and out. Remember, go slow and be gentle because you don't want to damage anything and cause more paper jams. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.